Hi friends! So today we are going to be working on close reading. So close reading is just teaching you how to break down some sentences, paragraphs, books for example, just so that you get a greater understanding of what you were reading and how you can really understand it more. So there's 3 different passages that we are going to read today. The first one I will do so I can show you what we are expecting out of you, what I want to see, because I know each of you are smart and can do it. The second one, I will start it off with you, and then I want you and whoever's in your house right now, we usually would be doing this in a group, but since we are sadly at home, we will do it with a mom, a dad, a brother, a sister, aunt, uncle, grandma, grandpa, family, friend, whoever's with you right now. They can help you with the second one. And then the third one, I want you to do all by yourself because you are smart and you can do it. So let's read the first one. It says, what is a community? A community is a group of people who learn, live, work, or play together. People in a community have things in common. You are a part of this school's community. So I want you to do 2 things. I want you to highlight what you think is important, and then I want you to underline something that you think is important. So let's break this down. So our first sentence is, what is a community? That's a question. Okay. The second sentence says, a community is a group of people who learn, live, work, or play together. I think that's important because it answers our question. So let's highlight that. The next sentence says, people in a community have things in common. Well, I think I'm going to underline have things in common because that kind of also tells us what a community is. And the last sentence says, you are a part of this school's community. I think I'm just going to leave that sentence by itself. So we're going to answer the first question together. What is a community? Oh, we already have this answered because it's in our paragraph. So, remember, if you use Miss Katie's words word for word, we will use quotation marks. So, a community is a group of people who learn, live, work, or play together. And that's our answer. It's as simple as that. So let's do the second one. It says, your school's community consists of students, teachers, parents, librarians, custodians, and many others that work at your school. As a part of this community, you learn how to work and improve the school together. There are many more communities too. What are some? So let's see. The first sentence tells you who is in your school's community. So we're going to highlight that one. Let's see. So we're going to highlight students to school and of. The second sentence says, as a part of this community, you learn how to work and improve the school together. So I'm going to underline you learn how to work and improve the school together because it tells you what your community does. Then it says there are many more communities too. What are some? So let's look at our question box. It says name 2 more communities. So with, once again, your family, your friends, whoever you are with right now, I want you to answer this question. All right? And lastly, I want you to do this third one all by yourself because you are smart and you can do this. So I will read it for you, and then I want you to pick one thing to highlight and one thing to underline. It says there are 3 types of communities: urban, suburban, and rural. An urban area is where you live in the middle of a city, like living downtown Detroit. A suburban area would be living in a residential area. This is where houses are closely together. Finally, a rural area would be in a country, like living on a farm. So the question is, what area do you live in? So I want you to highlight and underline one of each, please, and then answer the question. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and we will See you later.